9:10, welcome back to Fox 59. Are you a caregiver or a professional working in the healthcare industry and have questions about navigating end-of-life care? Do you have support? Tangram and Morning Light are teaming up to help you, and the two organizations have developed a specialized training program to help staff and caregivers with effective techniques to give them that valuable resource that they need. And joining me this morning, Tangram Chief Program Strategy Officer Ari Campbell and Morning Light Executive Director Madison Wood Gonzalez. Appreciate you both being here this morning. Eric, give us a little more perspective on Tangram and tell us about who you are.
Yeah, thank you for having us this morning. Tangram is a service provider in Indianapolis. We provide services for people with disabilities. We're centrally located. We are doing this. We got connected with Morning Light. We're doing this to provide services for people end of life. We provide care for people to live in their communities,
right?
Just like you or I would.
Madison, tell us a little more about Morning Light.
Sure. So Morning Light owns and operates the Abby Hunt Bryce home, which is a 12-bedroom residence right here in Indianapolis. It's free to those with a terminal illness or diagnosis. We seek to remove any barriers that would keep someone from having access to hospice care. And for a lot of our neighbors in Indy, that turns out to be an address. So they come and they live with us for free, and we provide round-the-clock caregiving and meals and a hand to hold at that.
What I like about this most is that you all are teaming up and partnering to create this curriculum to help people out in the community who have to make really tough decisions sometimes. Or kind of give us a kind of glimpse into how this all came about.
Mm-hmm. Sure. So when we don't talk about dying a lot.
Right.
And for people with disabilities, we really don't talk about dying. So when someone with a disability has a terminal diagnosis, a lot of times they'll go to the doctor and they'll get that diagnosis, and what happens is there's a lot of discomfort. So we'll start talking around them. We'll start talking to their staff, or we'll talk to their family members, but we don't have that conversation with them.
Yeah.
And their staff start to get uncomfortable too. So a lot of times staff will leave because they don't know how to have those conversations. And so Madison, we're neighbors. Our organizations are right next to each other.
I love that.
And so we had an opportunity with the state for innovation pilot program grant, and I walked next door and had a conversation with Madison and let him know about this grant, and we applied for it together to start training our staff. We wanted to start training our staff and their volunteers.
Madison, what is that initiative like, and how will it kind of impact the broader scope of the community?
Absolutely. So we took both of our expertise and we put them together. We actually got a whole kind of round table together of nurses and social workers and people who work with, the IDD population and then also hospice. And we created a very comprehensive, culturally representative curriculum so that people can go online and actually educate themselves in how you have these conversations. How do you take care of yourself as a caregiver? How do you take care of those that need it? So that we can maybe destigmatize death just a little bit.
And before we go, there's a QR code that you wanted to talk about, correct?
Yes.
Really quickly, what can viewers do? Our viewers get more from this? So
right now we have a wait list for people who are interested in signing up for our curriculum. If you want to go to our website, www.thetangramway.org.
Okay.
Scan the QR code, sign up for the wait list to get involved.
I love that there are people that are interested and that there is a wait list, because that means there are people out there that need to know how to do this. And I appreciate you both, Tangram and Morning Light, being together to get this initiative together. Thank you for being here. And please tell Sam I said hi.
I will. Thank you for having us.
For more information on Tangram and Morning Light, just go to our website, fox59.com/links. We will connect you there to both of the organizations. It's 9:15 now. I'm going to send it over to meteorologist Jim O'Brien.
All right, thank you, Daniel. 9:15.